In this video, I'll show you how to forget a Wi-Fi network on your Mac in just a few clicks. First, open your Mac's System Settings by clicking the Apple icon, then choose System Settings. On some older Macs, this might be called System Preferences. Next, look at the top left and you'll see a setting called Wi-Fi. You can also go to Network and then choose Wi-Fi. Now you'll see the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to. Just below that, under Known Networks, you'll find the networks you've connected to in the past. Your Mac remembers the passwords, so they all show up right here. To forget a network you've previously connected to, it's very simple. Just click the three-dot icon next to the network, and then choose Forget this network. At this point, the network's information, like the password and the auto-join feature, will be completely removed. It's basically like you never connected to that network in the first place. If the list under Known Networks doesn't look complete, scroll all the way down and click the Advanced button. In the new window that pops up, the Known Networks section will display absolutely every Wi-Fi network you've ever connected to, even the ones from a long time ago. Just do the same thing here. Click the three-dot icon and then select Remove from List to delete that Wi-Fi network from your Mac.